Undocking confirmed, physical separation confirmed at 4:51 p.m. Central Time, 5:51 p.m. Eastern Time, as the Soyuz TMA-20M spacecraft and the International Space Station flew 258 statute miles over eastern Mongolia.
Separation of the objects of the vehicles. Copy.
An outstanding view from the truss camera, one of the new HD external cameras.
37.
Expedition 49 technically underway.
Clear. There are no objects in it, so nothing, no foreign objects. Copy.
The journey home begins for Williams, Ovchinin, and Skripochka.
Gas 1 and 2 is done, so now we're getting ready for thruster select.
Есть выбор всех двигателей.
005230, we have selection of the thrusters. Copy. Thrusters have been selected.
Now a view from the black and white external engineering camera on the Soyuz vehicle, showing it backing away from the Poisk module to which it was attached since March 19th.
Visually, we see that range is about 20 meters. Copy.
About 40 seconds away from the first of 2 separation burns by the Soyuz vehicle.
Через 30 секунд ожидаем включения двигателей.
In 30 seconds, we expect that the thrusters will burn.
And the first of the 2 separation burns underway.
So we confirm that
this is an 8-second burn of about 0.5 of a meter per second to increase the opening rate of the Soyuz from the International Space Station.
Was 8 seconds, and now we're maneuvering along the roll attitude.
And roll maneuver is underway to place the Soyuz in the proper attitude and orientation for the second of these 2 separation burns, a much larger burn coming up of 30 seconds in duration. That is expected within the next minute.
So we confirm 21 degrees along the GSO. Copy.
Через 40 секунд ожидаем включения двигателей для отработки второго импульса.
So in 40 seconds, we expect the separation burn number 2. Copy.
Again, undocking occurring on time at 4:51 p.m. Central Time, as the Soyuz TMA-20M spacecraft and the International Space Station flew 258 statute miles over eastern Mongolia.
Есть загорание, работа ДПО 00:55:52. Принято.
So we see that the DPO was lit up at 00:55:52. The burn was...
And the second separation burn is underway, 30-second burn.
20 seconds.
25 секунд.
25 seconds.
Отработали 30 секунд, работа ДПО.
So burn.
And the burn is complete and good.
Seconds. So DPO thrusters
Есть инструкция,
no longer lit up.
Принято.
We've got the instructions for the cycle.
Есть погасание БДУСов.
So DUT is off, as well as the KDO is off. Copy.
Работаем по странице 98.
So now we're switching to page 98. Or we confirm.
И1.
So E1.
Ну что ж, стоп, Москва, я картинку могу?
Moscow, can I switch to a different image? Or can I fold? Yes, please, go ahead, do as convenient for you.
This view of the control panel in the Soyuz vehicle with all the various parameters. This is the final in the series of TMA vehicles, the 20M, that is coming home for a landing in south central Kazakhstan, landing about 3 hours and 16 minutes from now. A good view of the Soyuz TMA-20M spacecraft.
Moscow, this is Burlaki 1. Could you tell us when we can deactivate the TV? At 0105. Copy, 0105.
The Soyuz will continue to make its way to a safe distance away from the International Space Station for the next major milestone, which will be the deorbit burn coming up in 2 hours and 21 minutes. Alexey Ovchinin will be deactivating the Soyuz docking mechanism, no longer needed, and is deactivating the television transmitter. They will begin to set their controls in the descent module for the dynamic operations as they enter the descent mode following the deorbit burn. There will be a bit of free time for the crew as they prepare for descent. Meanwhile, at the landing site in south central Kazakhstan, the landing team, Rosaviatsia, the Russian search and recovery forces, along with the embedded NASA landing team, led by Sean Fuller, the director of human spaceflight operations in Russia, will soon be preparing to make their way to the Jez-Kazgan airport for the go-ahead from the search and recovery team to board Russian Mi-8 helicopters en route to the landing site itself.